In this video, I want to show you how to add your Facebook feed for your business page directly to your KW website powered by Playster. We already have the ability to add a quick icon at the top of the screen and bottom of the screen for your Facebook business page. This is going to show you how you can have a page that's dedicated to your Facebook feed, and your clients can actually come here, like your page, and see everything that you had recently posted right from your website without having to leave it. They can even interact right from here. So first thing I'm going to point out is make sure you're in a browser that already has you logged into Facebook, because the tool we're going to use is designed by Facebook. And if you go to developers.facebook.com, you're going to find some social plugins, and we're looking for Page plugin. Look in the descriptions of this video and I will paste the link for this. Now, the Page plugin is going to give you the ability to do your actual banner from your cover photo, like the page. Now, I manage a couple pages, so right now it's got my office page in here, which is great. However, I want to actually get the Facebook page URL, the web link for my Facebook page. So here's my Facebook page, and its URL ends with the JTeamFL. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back to the Page plugin, and I'm going to paste it right there. That way it'll update and show the page down below. Now, tabs, if you have multiple tabs, you could do something different, but most of us just want the timeline, right? Everything that we've posted to show up there. I will tell you, I would adjust the width. If you leave it alone, it's kind of more narrow. See how it's a little more narrow here? So you'll see it says the width, the pixel width of the embed, it can go up to 500. So I would do 500 for the width. Height, you can keep it kind of this shape, or I like to do a little bit larger, so I'm going to do 800. That way it just shows a little bit more on the page itself. Now you can use a small header. If you check use small header, watch what happens to the graphic. My cover photo for my business page just gets a little shorter, or you can undo that. I kind of like seeing a little bit more of that. You can hide the cover photo if you don't want it at all, and that way it just shows your logo and the name of your business page. You do want to adapt the plugin container width. That way it'll just try to fit it within that container size. And I like the show friends faces. If you don't have that checked, it just says, they can click here to like it and see what posts you have. But if you check that, it would show you and how many other friends of yours might like this page. That could be really cool for someone who's not sure if they want to like your business page, but when they see, Jim, Bob, and Sally all like your page as well, they're more likely to click on it. So I like that feature. You can see a little example of it here below. So here's the little cover photo. There is my profile picture for the business page, the name of my business page. Now, I'm already logged in, so it knows that I liked it, but if I hadn't liked it, it would have a like button right there on your website. Here are some friends that I have in common who also like my business page. And then right below this little banner, I can start scrolling and see all the posts that I had posted recently, which is really cool, and that's kind of the purpose of doing this. So once you have it the way you want it, you're going to do get code. Don't worry about all this crazy stuff. All you're going to do is copy and paste to do this. Now, it's going to make sure who you're logged in as, and you want to do iframe. Iframe is going to allow us to copy this little code here, copy, and then I just paste it into my Playster website. So when you're in your actual back agent portion for the KW website, and you want to create a page, I already did this. I like the default template page because no matter what I did, the newsfeed is not going to fill up the whole page. So it's a great opportunity to use the default page and have a search bar on the right and a contact you form right within this page. Give it a title if you want to call it Facebook, Facebook feed, business page, whatever you want to call the title of the page. Now, we copied HTML code, meaning the coding that programs the web page to do what you want it to do. So we're going to click this icon here, which is going to pull up our HTML code. Now, I wrote a little description at the top. You don't need to do that if you don't want to. You can literally just paste this in. This is actually the code that I already had pasted, but I'm going to go ahead and paste it again. I'm going to hit update, and you'll see a preview of it right from within this screen. You can choose display full width, but I will tell you that the widget is going to stay on the left-hand side of the screen. You're going to have a lot of blank space on the right on the desktop. On the mobile phone, it automatically shows this portion at the top, and at the bottom will be the search bar. So do not check that if you don't need to. Meta title, make sure you put a title for this. The meta title is what Google identifies that page as. So I did Facebook feed for the J Team with Keller Williams Realty Professionals. In the description, you can talk about what it is. In this page, you can follow the J Team, Keller Williams Professionals on Facebook, and check out our recent posts. That would be something that you can write there. And then you hit save. And what will happen, I'll go ahead and refresh the screen here, is now you're going to have a menu item. This says Facebook feed. And you're going to see, I put the description, just follow the J Team on Facebook. Click the like button, scroll through some of our amazing posts right from this page. Here is my cover photo. There's my profile, everything that we saw just like we saw on the developer page for Facebook. Here's the little like button. You can see friends that I have in common who also like this page. And then down below, we'll show you all the recent posts that I had. And I can actually interact right from within here. So I can like it, so that's really great. And that's how you add the Facebook feed and widget right to your KW website powered by Playster. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave me some comments, I'd love to hear from you, and follow me on KW Connect today.